Welcome to the Volkswagen family. Your ID.4 is packed with exciting features that help make it convenient and fun to drive. Let's unpack the details. Your new Volkswagen comes with our Carefree Coverage package, which includes 2 years of scheduled Carefree maintenance, covering your first 2 scheduled maintenance services. Volkswagen recommends routine maintenance be performed every 10,000 miles or 12 months, whichever occurs first. Carefree Coverage also includes 3 years or 36,000 miles of roadside assistance, whichever occurs first, available 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. 4 years or 50,000 miles of new vehicle limited warranty coverage, whichever occurs first, and 8 years or 100,000 miles of high-voltage battery limited warranty coverage, whichever occurs first, giving you peace of mind for the road ahead. And a bundle of connected vehicle service plans enabled through myVW Plus, including 3 years of the Safe and Secure plan, providing access to services such as emergency assistance and automatic crash notifications for help when you need it, and 3 years of the Remote Access plan, allowing you to use the myVW app for remote battery charging and climate control, lock-unlock commands if equipped, last parked location, and more. Your new ID.4 also includes 7 years of the VW Vehicle Insights plan, giving you access to features like high-voltage battery care and charging status, vehicle health reports, and maintenance alerts in the myVW app. 3 years of premium speech, which enhances your vehicle's voice control functionality with online capabilities. And 3 years of premium navigation, which gives you access to traffic information, real-time route updates, and more, right from your infotainment system. To enroll in your included plans, as well as other available paid plans, download the myVW app today by visiting the App Store or scanning the QR code on your screen. To enjoy these connected vehicle services plans, you'll need to accept the myVW Plus terms of service during myVW sign-up. To help keep you charged and on the road, your new ID.4 includes a 2-year Electrify America Pass Plus membership with the convenience of plug and charge. To get started, download the Electrify America app by visiting the App Store on your phone or scanning the QR code on your screen. Beyond all of these included benefits, your Volkswagen is also equipped with IQ.DRIVE technology, which provides driver assistance features that can help enhance the safety and convenience of your drive. Learn more about IQ.DRIVE at vw.com/IQ or by scanning the QR code. And keep an eye on your inbox for your personalized newsletter, VW Go. You can also find more information about your vehicle, including video tutorials, by visiting vw.com/tutorials or scanning the QR code. And you can find your full-length digital owner's manual within your vehicle's infotainment system. Congratulations on your new ID.4. See you on the road!